So this is the flour. The measurement will be in the description. So after mixing everything together, you're going to measure 1 cup of water, and from that 1 cup of water, if you need to dissolve anything with water, you will fetch from that 1 cup of water. Then you mix like the powdered milk and the yeast that I use water. So at the end, 1 cup will be the total liquid that you will use apart from the egg that you will use. Then after this, you roll everything and it is smooth. What you need to do is like you let it stay for 25 to 30 minutes. If the yeast is active, it is going to rise to double or even triple the size. So it double its size, so you're going to remove it again to knead it again, then roll it either round or in this shape. Then you put it in the pan or the container you're going to use. You first of all oil or use fat, then you use flour. If you don't want to use baking parchment, this is another option. Then you pour, then you cover it and let it stay for 30 minutes again. Then this is how it will rise. Then you use double pan, put water, then put a smaller pan with the bread, with the dough, then you put it in the oven. Then after, it depends on the flame that you use. I use the lowest, and now my bread is ready and it's looking poppy and it's looking good.